Hi guys, Ging is here. So in this video, I will be going to a friend birthday party. So yeah, come along with me. Let's go. See you there. So I am here now in my friend house, Melka. Yeah, it's her birthday today. So wow, they have flowers. I love gardening. And yeah, I think she also loves gardening. So yeah, we're going inside. There you go, the birthday girl. Sexy and pretty. What is this? The heart?
This is a lemon cake.
Wow,
It's a fish.
looks good. And this is Maha Blanca, right?
No?
What is this?
Jelly.
Wow.
There's a
Gulaman.
Also prepare a lot of food. This is a chicken barbecue, macaroni, lumpiang, Shanghai, Italian sauce and Filipino sauce for the spaghetti. Of course, Filipino sauce with spicy baked chicken. It's really delicious. Chicken fillet, shumai, and kalderitang chicken and rice.
Hi guys, meet my friends. What's your name?
Daisy. Enjoy.
Friend Gracia. Met my friend Ate GC. Ate GC also will having channel soon.
Yes, soon.
Yeah, she will having channel soon too. So guys, check out also. We will tell you the exact channel name, T.
JC Canon.
Yeah, Josie Canon, guys. Hello, girl. What's your name again? What's your name? So here is my friend Melka. So today it's her birthday. She's turning 21.
29?
Oh, I wish you could 29. Are you single?
Yeah.
Single. And are you ready to mingle?
Always.
Oh. She's very sexy, guys. What can you say? Here you prepare lots of food for the people you invited.
Most of Filipinos, you are the one who make foods for the visitors.
Yeah.
And about other catering, I don't know.
Western they don't prepare for the visitors. The visitors will prepare the food for the birthday celebrant. Yes.
I just know only our culture here.
Yeah. Yeah, guys, we will enjoy this birthday. Happy birthday. Please sing with me, guys. 1, 2, 3, go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. How old are you?
21. Never say.
Okay.
Switch.
29.
29. Okay.
No.
Happy birthday.
Thank you guys.
You're 12 years old.
12 years old.
Okay, blow your candle.
Big wish.
Wish. Bigger wish.
Sino sa lamin?
Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and of course don't forget to click the button like and share and subscribe. Don't forget also to hit the bell notification for you to be notified when my new videos comes out. I'll see you again next time guys. Bye!